Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the COSTWAY Twin Tub 26 pounds capacity laundry washer. In this video, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and customer reviews to help you choose the best option for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads, while the COSTWAY washer boasts a total capacity of 26 pounds, allowing for larger laundry loads. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have a larger household or need to wash items like blankets. The BLACK+DECKER washer offers 5 different wash cycles, providing versatility for various fabric types and soil levels. In contrast, the COSTWAY washer features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, but requires manual operation for both processes. This can save time but may not be as convenient for those who prefer automated cycles. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER washer is priced at $249, while the COSTWAY washer is more budget-friendly at $189. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those looking for an affordable yet effective laundry solution. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and COSTWAY portable washers have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER offers convenience with its automated cycles, while the COSTWAY provides a larger capacity at a lower price. Depending on your laundry needs and budget, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.